launch Word or to how how to use Word, we still already have Word installed on our machine. So this video explain how to use and navigate around Microsoft Word. Let's locate the Word by clicking on the Start menu. Then look for Word. You scroll through to find Word. Okay, you're looking for Word. So this is Word. So click on it to launch it. Okay, mine is Office Word Office 2019. So after our web page, we have this one. On our web, we have the file, home, insert, design, workout, layout, reference, mailing, review, view, help, and search. That's whatever you want to do, you use this one. So we're going to look into this one after the other. So let me use this one too, so that we have a clear thing. Okay. So now let's look at the home. So let's open the home. Okay. So under the home we have the this in paste that's the clipboard. The clipboard that's where pasting and copy anything you copy, that's where you can find it and other stuff, formatting pointer and other stuff. So when we also come in we have the font. The font is talking about the type size, the type color, the type style and other this in the font family and other this about font, about the text that we will be typing in our workplace. So and here to the paragraph where the text will be positioned, how the text will be indent, how the text will look like, how spacing and other stuff. So we're also going to look at that one after the other. And we come to the styling, the styles. So the style is we have the normal this thing, we have no space, no spacing, we have heading one, heading two, title and subtitle. And all of them have uses. And we look into them one after the other. Then after we also have the editing place here where we can do more about replacing and selecting of so many things. When we are integrating like record, you see how each of them is used for. So let's come purposely. Let's jump this one for now, the clipboard, and but we come back there and we come to the font place one. So now let's say we have something like word, word. Okay, we start with type word introduction, word introduction. Okay, so this is the test we are having now. Then okay, let's say we have something like this. So this is the test we have a word introduction. So now what is the new contrast? So let me read this one. Okay, so we have word introduction. So this word introduction, maybe this is not how we want the thing to look like. Then we come to the font place. That's what I was talking. I was saying like this place actually for editing the text that we are having here to suit what we want. So let's say this is this is the font family. So the font family is we are having so many font families. So before we do anything here, let's highlight it. We are having so many font family, which is uh, we are having uh, calibrate light and other stuff, plenty of them. But then official one we use is what Times Blue Rubber, which is this one. So the listen to let's say the after we will also look at the font size. So this is the font size. Our own is 12 now. Now you can increase it. You can increase the font size to any side that you want. In that order, okay. You can increase it to any side you want. But mostly used one is what 12. And before you increase it, you should make sure you highlight it. Then you click on this way. Then select the size that you want, set the size that you want up to, you see that the more we click a bold now, the more the font size is what is increasing. That's it for that. Okay, so let's leave it on 12 to have a normal font size. Okay, or we can also use this one to increase. Um, so you see that when I'm clicking on this one, it's increasing. This one to also increase it as well. We use this one to what? To reduce it. Yeah, in that order. And this one, what this one actually do is that, like, let me say, for instance, we have a thing to be in all to be in capital. I think our time we type in capital this thing. So let's look at this one. If you open this one, we can do lowercase, sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capital each word or other this. So if you have something like this one, we put it on this one. You see that. So the sentence case means it will start every sentence with what? A capital letter. The starter of the sentence also will be what? A capital letter. But if you say lowercase, you want everything to be a lowercase. And if you also come to this uppercase, everything will go back to what? Uppercase. Okay, so let's leave it on sentence case. For now, I think that's the mostly used one. These three are the mostly used one. Capital each word. So if capital each word, then the beginning of each word will be what? Will be a capital letter. Okay. Other than, let's look at this one. Uh, the bold. This is the bold. If you want this thing to be deep or clear, so we bold it. Or we also have the italic that will make our text small slant. Just slant it small. Let me increase the font size so that we can, when I use, I will increase it to number so that we can see clear. Okay, you see that at the text, when I click on this one, the text is number this way. So if I click on the italic, the text is really what? Slightly like lying right forward. The text is lying forward. Yeah, so I can also use the underline. The underline. Okay. So I can choose a line that I want here. Either this one. So any one that I want, I'll choose it here. Then I'll underline my text this way. Yeah. Let's continue. So we also have this one and this one. So this one is we are widening the text. How we want the text to spacing to be. So let's say this one. You see, we are having, okay. So let's try one more. Let's try one more. Okay. So the next one we are looking at. Okay, let's say we have another text down here. So it's another heading. So we say it's good. It's good to learn word because it is used for every everyday activities. This is what we have. It's a heading. So let's highlight this one. Then we can bold it to look like this. And this is really looking good. This is good. This is looking good. Then we press enter. Okay, so press the enter key. That will take us to the next line. So to the next line, we paste whatever. So let me just copy this one. Then I'll paste it down here. Okay. Then this one is already having the settings. I don't need to do anything to this one again because what are set for this one is still working for this one. Okay. So but let's say is let's set it back to how it was supposed to look like. Something like this. Then maybe something like this. Okay. If you type a number, I think this is how it will look like without any editing. So let's now edit it to look good the way we like it. So we highlight this one. We highlight this. Then click on the home. The home already have time new number which is good, 12, which is good. But the justification, we do something like this. Give justification. But the text is too close to each other. The lines, there's no space between them, which make it not looking nice. So we come to this one, click on this the spacing, then click on times, and this are number, this is bullet. So if you put this one and you type search, you type click. Sorry, let me move my boat so that you have this in here. So you say click on the start menu. Then click enter. So you see that it has this different to different. It give a different design with the bulletin that we use on top there. But this is a bulletin. What of if you want it to be a number? You want it to be a number. You come to the same place. You see number. Then you click on it. When you click on it, you start.
Hey, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
One more.
Alright.
So number one, we start steps. Can say click on the start. But it's highlighted. I don't want it to be highlighted. Let me it's bold. I don't want it to be bold, so let me move the bold. Okay, to have number this. So if I click enter to give me number two, if I click enter to give me number two, if I type something, let me see step two, blah 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 blah, anything, then enter down that. So it will allow me to list the things in the way, and it's really showing like it's under this one with the indenting. A simple and a good way of starting Word. If you start Word this way, I think that's the best and the perfect way to do the design, layout, reference, listen, and other features that you need to know to make Word interactive and simple for you. Thank you for watching.